Dear friends, welcome to the video content on coordinate geometry. In this content, we will learn Cartesian system, plotting points with given coordinates, and summary. Introduction. We all know that it is easy to plot any real number as a point on number line. However, not all points can be directly plotted on a number line. There are some points which need to be described with reference to more than one line. For example, when we are locating positions of objects with respect to their directions, we need to specify more than one line. Just like that, if a person is walking on the street from west and he wants to describe the location of house B, he would have to say second house on the fifth lane on the left. Here, he used more than one line to describe the position of the house. Cartesian system. To describe positions using two lines, there is a standard system called Cartesian system, which is named after the mathematician Descartes. This system uses two perpendicular lines which divide the plane into four quadrants. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. On x-axis, the points on the right are positive and those on the left are negative. On y-axis, the points at the top are positive and those at the bottom are negative. The first quadrant is the one where both x and y are positive. Second quadrant has negative x and positive y. Third quadrant has both negative coordinates. Fourth quadrant has positive x and negative y coordinates. Plotting a point with given coordinates. Suppose we have to plot a point 4, 3 in the Cartesian coordinate system. First, we will plot 4 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. Next, we need to draw perpendiculars from both the points to their axis. The point at which both the perpendiculars meet is the point 4, 3. Now let's look at the example. Example 1. In this example, we will see how to find out which quadrant a point belongs to. We have 3 points as given here. To determine the quadrant, we need to note the signs of each coordinate and determine their positions. Let's take a look at the solutions. Our first example, 2, -3 is of the type plus, minus, which is the fourth quadrant. Second example, -3, -4 has both negative coordinates. This is true in third quadrant. Third example, -9, 2 has negative x and positive y, which is the case with second quadrant. Now let's take a look at example 2. In this example, we will see how to determine coordinates of various points given on a graph. Here we have 5 points A, B, C, D and E plotted at various places. To find the coordinates of a point, we need to drop a perpendicular to each of the two axes from the given point and note the points of intersection. For example, if we drop a perpendicular from E to x-axis, it intersects at 2, as you can see in the figure, and the perpendicular from E to x-axis intersects it at -4. Hence, the coordinates of E would be 2, -4. Following the same procedure, we can find the coordinates of all the other points. Here are the solutions for your reference. Test yourself. Here are some questions for you. Please revise the concept by solving them on your own. Thank you. This content was developed under Akash School project. This project is funded by NME ICT and MHRD Government of India. If you wish to contact us, please mail us at the given email ID. Thank you for watching this content.